it's Gwen Lazarito, and today is another video with a special guest because this is the first of my series, What's Your Story?
What's your story?
Where I ask people on why they think that financial planning or insurance is important for them. So I'm here today with Ray Christian Haka. He's a licensed financial advisor for one of the biggest life insurance companies here in the Philippines. Hello!
Hey,
He's actually my financial advisor son before I became a financial advisor too. So let's start.
Right. As Gwen mentioned, I'm a financial advisor of one of the biggest companies here in the Philippines. So the logo is color blue, and red and white, and I've been a financial advisor for about 3 years, I think. So I got into the business because I learned from it from one of my previous coworkers in the call center industry, and he introduced me to the concept of financial planning, and I was just shocked that there is such a service like this because I realized that if we had financial planning, if my parents had financial planning, then my life today might be totally different. So yeah, that's it. Well, to start off with the topic of insurance, the three main purpose of insurance is really to first, if ever the chance that something happens to us and we won't be able to provide for our families anymore or any dependents that you might have, it will allow them to continue their current lifestyle. And second is any debts that you had, mga utang na naani mo, it can be settled without burdening your families. And third, most important reason is if you're a businessman, it's an insurance for your company and everyone working in it and everyone else that has a stake in your business. Well, both my parents died due to cancer, and malaala na life na ko kay within the same year, that was back on 2009. So I'm sure you guys can relate na, or you can tell na, of course, there's a emotional impact during that time. But ironically, when that happened, no, I did not feel the depression or the sadness right away because I completely switched to survival mode at that time because of course wala na akong parents, wala na yung muhatag na ko og allowance, and luckily akong kuya was already working at that time, and in fact he was already the breadwinner, but losing both my parents dako jud pahak sa income being generated from the three of them. So mo to na undang ko eskwela, night times na my lifestyle na maglaglaag lang kay nawala, of course kay partly maikog sa kong pangayo pero misang kuya pero nagipitash na ngayon ko. So you can only imagine what happened to me. And aside from that, I'm in a family of 3 siblings. My kuya and I have my ate, I am the youngest. So ang sa balay na wala pa na completely impas ang yuta. So moto siya, story na ko na I found the value of financial planning and insurance, most especially after my friend introduced me to it. So definitely number one is makontinue ta ko pag-eskwela ato. I would have graduated. In fact, I just lacked 1 year and a half, 2 semesters and 3 semesters. Kana number one. Second is kaning dili na ta mi magproblema sa among yuta siguro if the insurance coverage was enough, and maybe matiwas na ning balay, and all the money that I have saved, that I've spent on those two things, eskwela kanang sa yuta o kaning maintenance sa balay, I would have spent it in other things na maybe to investing in myself, saving on my own, getting more insurance for myself. So nga na.
Okay, so it's more on kanang the consequences no na would have been avoided for you and your siblings if there was kanang if nauso pa ang insurance o na, because let's face it, dili pa jud kaayo well known fact na need kaayo ang insurance.
Dili kay sa statistics sa Philippines, 1 out of 10 people are insured or has any sort of financial planning, and most of them kay kana ran provided sa ilahang company, kanang mga HMOs, but sometimes it might be lacking, and the risk there is if wala na mo trabaho, like my parents said at that time, or my father at least, mama na pa man at time, wala jud siya nga na benefit, so completely zero good. And I'm sure you will know some people na who has the same kind of story as I have. And in fact, napagis worse stories than me because kami naglikalisan mi pero at least functioning gyapon mi na stabilize o dali. Pero may uban dyan na mawagta man og business kanang kanang makit out sa ilang gipuy-an, I'm forced to live in someone else's house, maybe a relative or worse.
I guess maayo ra sad kay before your parents were gone, nakabilin sa dyan sila og kanang properties.
Oh, at least nanay kapuy-an.
Okay. I know nga like for other people wala jay mabilin ang ilahang family member nga ning pass away sa ilaha. Especially sa in your case kay both of your parents were gone in the same year. So if wala may balay ato, yes.
Tulog sa kudanan to kajet siguro.
Oh, yeah, usara sa inyo ang nag-work, di ba?
Hmm.
So, and it wasn't really that easy to find work for you, sad, di ba?
I have full coverage life insurance. I'm confident na if ever something happens to me, ma-provide it again para ako anak. And also my siblings na tagaan sa ko sila share. Also in the case if high risk man ko cancer and especially my later age na nakoy insurance covered na more than enough sa katulang based lang sa pila na gasto na mo sa ato akong parents sa time. And also critical illness insurance. So life insurance and critical illness insurance. So that covers cancer, heart stroke and heart attack, which is the top 3 killers kuno diri sa Philippines. It's not COVID actually. So kana na nakuha na duha. And aside from that, my policy is has investment in it as well. So in the case na I grow old, I won't be able to work anymore. Sooner or later, that will happen for all of us. Na nakoy savings na mo supplement sa akong SSS.
Right. Nice. Nice. So, mayo na kayo pagkaplano yung mga future nga finances.
Naka-start na, pero honestly, you can never have enough ba? So it's still a struggle na kanang to maintain everything. Ang investment, para nako gali akong save every month is medyo projection niya is dili pa enough good na to the level na gusto ko nang kaingo hayahay ko in my retirement years. But you know, we'll continue working on it. At least I've started. So, on top lang sa akong ingon na to ganina, peace of mind sa day na sa peace of mind. And sa may ganap na ako karon. So, padayon lang na I've realized na there are a lot of people now who will have the same experience as me. So, as much as possible, I reach out to as many people as I can to tell them about the concept of financial planning. And you know, kasagaran na mukuha na ko na way dagan storya or even they approach me if ever na ko post sa Facebook, may ganani financial advisor na ko, na mo PM, it's mainly because na sila initabo in the past, so they learn the value. The challenge is for those people, the other 9 people na maybe wala pa nakasuway og something tragic siguro, so that's good. And it's the best time to prepare ba. So it's the challenge is making them realize the value in it kay of course kanang wala pa sila na ka-go through sa ingana na struggle in life. Wala pa dyan nila ma-feel ang value. They understand it logically, but dili jud ma-want nila that will push them to actually start their own plan.
All right. Thank you so much, Christian. So, if you want to speak with him with regards to financial planning, what he can offer you, then you can visit his Facebook page. So, thank you so much for watching this video today, and watch out for more. Watch out for more videos on me interviewing other people on their story with regards to their personal finance journey. And let me leave you with this message that your best life starts when you decide. Bye!
Bye!